Okay, well, I hope you all enjoyed saying hello to my brother, Mr. Jeff, one more time before the school year is out for summer break. He wishes you all very well. A few things that I would like to talk to you all about as we move forward. So, this week's lessons will be, again, probability. So, this will be our third week with probability, but it will be our last week with probability. We will be moving into some topics that Miss Winger, Miss G, Miss Huber, and I all have decided are the very most important topics for you to really, really do well and understand to be successful in 8th grade. So we will be doing some review and we'll be learning some new stuff to really make sure that you are as prepared as possible for next school year. Okay, that was the first thing. The second thing, um, some of you missed a question or two on the exit ticket. At the bottom of this week's playlist in Schoology, you're going to find another screencast that is explaining some of the mistakes that I saw on your exit tickets. You will receive an individual Schoology message from me to watch that video and then redo your exit ticket one more time to really make sure that you understand what your mistake was and how to fix it. Lastly, please keep asking questions. Okay, if you don't understand something, that is perfectly fine. You need to reach out and send me a Schoology message or come to my tutoring hours. The links are also at the bottom of the Schoology week. They are on Monday at 1 p.m. and Wednesday at 9 a.m. Come on, say hello, ask some questions, and get the help that you need. Make sure you are advocating for yourself. Okay? I think that's it. Let's go ahead and get started with your do now and then hop into your mini lessons and independent practice and exit ticket. Have a great third week and see you all soon.